As a site reliability engineer working from home, I've always dreamt of having my dream workspace. The kind of setup that inspires you to tackle even the trickiest production issues while sipping on your favorite coffee. And guess what, guys? I finally made it happen. Setting up my workspace was actually a journey. I remember making some research about the right frame to use, about the right monitor, about the right comfortable chair and desk to use, and even some of the desk accessories and all that. And at the point when they were all purchased, I was wondering how everything could turn out to be at the end of the day. And guys, everything was actually so exciting, and it actually turned out well. So I hope this inspires you to set up your dream workspace. Let's see what it looks like. So here is my dream setup. On the wall, I have some inspiring frames. Dream big, work hard, and stay humble. I like that so much. And here I have my ultra wide curved monitor from LG. I so much love this because it can help me to multitask and be more productive. I've always been productive though. So here is my dream workspace, and this is actually giving everything that it should give. I love my workspace. It is just so comfortable, so inspiring, and I'm always motivated to sit on that desk. So comfortable, all right. So I'm gonna give you a quick tour on what I have on my desk. I don't really want this video to be long, okay? I'm basically just showing this to inspire someone out there, to actually let you know that you can get whatever you want to get. You can achieve whatever you want to achieve. And this is actually very essential to getting you to be more productive. On my desk, I have LG ultra wide curved monitor. I have my MacBook Pro. I've got my gaming keyboard, my mouse. I have some flowers just to beautify the space. I have my desk shelf, and inside that I have my jotter, my blue cut eyeglasses to save my eyes. I've also got a lamp and a diffuser. Also have my mic, okay, which is actually what I'm making use of at the moment. And sometimes I have my coffee, which is not in this video, okay. I've also, beneath the desk, I have table management rack to help me hold the cables together. I've also got a flower by the side, and yes, so this is what my workspace looks like as a site reliability engineer working from home. I hope this inspires you. It is just so comfortable working from my desk, and yes, it is actually giving everything that it should give. Always motivated to go to my desk and work, and even record the video that I'm actually recording right now. So there you go. This is my slice of work from home heaven, okay? And I love it. I hope this inspires you to create something you love, okay? And yeah, it just for one to have a goal. Actually wanted to do this. I wanted to accomplish that before the end of 2024, and I'm so happy that I got that done. I decided to post the video today though, okay. Yeah, so this is me vibing on my desk and with my comfortable chair, and yes, yeah, just so happy. This is me vibing. Don't mind me. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.